The best use of time and money when it comes to renovations. In the current seller's market, many homeowners wonder what, if anything, needs to be remodeled before they list their house. That's where a trusted real estate professional comes in. They can help you think through today's market conditions and how they impact what you should and shouldn't renovate before selling. Here are some considerations a professional will guide you through. 1. With current supply challenges, buyers may be willing to take on projects of their own. 2. Not all renovation projects are equal. 3. If you've already made upgrades this past year, your agent can help spotlight them. Let your real estate professional know if you fall in this category. When it comes to renovations, your return on investment should be top of mind. Let's connect today to talk through what you should prioritize before you sell to maximize your house's potential. Call John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage at 302-703-0727.